Hello guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R and I'm Miss R. And as promised, I will be showing you my bedroom reveal. Now this room have changed a couple of times, but I'm going to show you how it looks today. Alright, let's get to it. All right, guys, well, like I said, I have made a lot of things in this room, a lot of things I already had, and I have saved a ton of money. But the one thing I really like about this room is the functionality. Guys, everything is in here that I love. I have everything right at my fingertips, and I can change out my decor as I please on a daily basis. So guys, good luck decorating. You have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.